everyone, how's it going? My name is Jewel Tolentino and welcome to the Essetino Artists YouTube channel where we talk about money, marketing, and mindset. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 21 different ways to get more YouTube views. So this video is going to be really fast-paced, rapid fire. I don't want to waste your time. If I'm referencing any website or link, it will be down in the description below. Alright, so quickly, why should you listen to us? Well, we are full-time YouTubers. We've started our YouTube channel back in 2015. We just hit 40,000 subscribers. Our channel makes over 5 figures a month from many different resources: Google ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored ads, course sales, one-on-one coaching services, and we have taught people who know completely nothing about starting a YouTube channel to creating one, having their own system, and now creating their own income stream with YouTube. We love teaching people how to use YouTube in line with their passion, what they like doing, putting that on YouTube and monetizing it and making it into a business. All right, so let's get into it. 21 different ways on how to get more YouTube views to your videos. Tip number 1, and this is the most important one that we stress, is SEO, search engine optimization. What is it? It's in the title, it's in the tags, it's in the description, and you're doing it whether you know about it or not. You want to utilize the search, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, if you don't know what SEO is, I have a tutorial for that where my business partner dives deep on how to do SEO on your videos. At the end of the day, you want to make yourself searchable so your videos can get found, clicked on, and you get more views. Tip number 2, post on your community tab. A lot of YouTubers don't even realize they even have a community tab. It's basically like a Facebook news feed, and when you post on it, subscribers will see your post, and even people that aren't subscribed but visited your channel will see your post. And you can post pictures, you can post videos that you've previously uploaded, do a poll. With the community tab and posting videos, what I like to do is have the video released on the channel, and then either later that day or the next day following, I like to post the video on the community tab to potentially get more views. Tip number 3, put your YouTube channel links or a specific YouTube video link in your email signature. What is an email signature? An email signature is at the very bottom when you write an email and you're signing off your name and stuff. You might have some credentials, you might have your telephone number, you might have your website. For us, we utilize this space to put our YouTube channel links, and you'd be surprised when you respond to someone in an email or you send an email that they actually click on it. And you didn't directly spam it to them, you were just sending them an email for something completely different, but they saw your signature and they clicked on it. Tip number 4 is create a YouTube subscribe card. So this is our YouTube subscribe card. It's basically a small size business card, and its sole purpose is to get a YouTube subscribe. So on one side of it, we have our logo and our tagline, and then on the other side, we have a link, and it is a website domain that we purchased, but we have it forward to our YouTube channel. And how you get these small business cards is basically you order regular size business cards and you print out 2 on one card and you cut it in half, and it becomes dirt cheap, because if you try and order these sliver cards, even though they're smaller, they'll actually be more expensive than a regular business card. Again, I have a tutorial on this, which will be down in the description below, on exactly how I made these, what website I used, and the full detail on the exact process. Tip number 5, email your list. So if you have a list, email them when you have a new YouTube video coming out, or if you publish videos quite frequently like us, you can email once a week or once every 2 weeks, or only do emails on your best videos. Tip number 6, put your YouTube channel link in your Facebook profile. So YouTube is our main thing. That's where we want people to see us. We want people to see us on video more so than our website. just because if people see us on video, they can get a really good feel for us. That's why we're always trying to promote our YouTube channel. So you can actually put your YouTube channel link as your website on your Facebook profile. Tip number 7, similar to the previous tip, put your YouTube channel link or a specific video in your Instagram profile. Now we have one of these specialized links where when you click on it, it opens a bunch of other links, but they are mainly links to other YouTube videos and our website. And so when people are checking you out on Instagram, they see that, click on that link and see a bunch of other links and potentially watch one of your videos. Tip number 8, share your YouTube video links in your Facebook group and or other Facebook groups. So we have a Facebook group called Creative Business Success. It's a free Facebook group and we're always providing tons of value, doing contests, and it's a great community. If you are a creative entrepreneur, I recommend that you join it. And in our Facebook group, every so often we will post our YouTube video links. Not every single post. You don't want to make every single post a YouTube link because you don't want to spam the group. You want to provide other types of content, other types of value from other people. But every so often, when we have a really good video, we'll post it in the group and that will also get more views. Now, when you are posting in other Facebook groups, again, you don't want to spam the group. You want to make sure that you're posting as if you're providing value, and you want to make sure that it's relevant to the actual group. Tip number 9 is create a WhatsApp group with your different groups of family members, friends, people that you know that are going to support your YouTube journey and what you're doing on YouTube. We have different WhatsApp groups, friends groups, cousins groups, immediate family groups, just a whole bunch of different groups, and I'm sure you guys do too. So utilize that and post your YouTube videos on those WhatsApp groups. Obviously, you want to make sure that you tell them that you're going to be doing this. You don't want to spam your family and friends, and that they actually support what you're doing with your online endeavors. Tip number 10, you can promote your video using YouTube Google Ads. We run another YouTube channel. It's called Arit Music. My business partner's name is Arit and she is a singer. And we often promote her cover music videos through Google AdWords, which is basically YouTube's advertising. And we place her cover video on other related videos to boost that video, get it out there, get more views, and potentially more subscribers. I have a detailed tutorial on that, which will be down in the description below. Number 11 is talk about other videos in your video and put the links in the description. Basically what I'm doing in this video. So in this video, I'm talking about 21 different ways to get YouTube videos, and along the way, I'm referencing my past tutorial videos in hopes that you guys will go down to the description and click on those links to find more detail about each tactic that I'm talking about. It's like creating a spider web of interlocking the videos. You're watching this video and then potentially you watch another video in the description and then you watch another one. Tip number 12 is add end screen and cards. Personally, I prefer end screens. I think visually that they look better. You want to make sure that you add an end screened video that is related to the video you just watched. So at the end of this video, I will be adding an end screen to another YouTube themed video because this video is about YouTube. Tip number 13 is feature a video on your YouTube homepage. So you can choose a channel trailer, and I know that some people like to actually create a trailer describing what their channel is going to be about, but we utilize that space to feature a specific kind of video, and whatever video you put there will get more views because it's what people land on in the homepage. And so right now we have a video talking about our YouTube earnings, and there's a specific reason why we put that video there, is to create credibility. We teach about YouTube and we have YouTube coaching, so we put that on there so when people land on there, they actually see that, okay, we do make money from YouTube, we do know what we're talking about. It's kind of like a first impression type thing. Tip number 14 is if you have a website, add your YouTube channel link to your website. So everybody knows that when you scroll down to the bottom of a website, you should have, your social media icons and your contact links and things of that nature. If you've got a website, make sure that you've linked up your YouTube channel, and when people click on that, it actually goes to your YouTube channel or a specific video. Tip number 15, celebrate your YouTube milestones. So what does that mean? Whenever you get a certain amount of subscribers, a certain amount of views, celebrate it on social media. You might be thinking, how's that gonna get me more views? Whenever we hit a new subscriber milestone, recently we just hit 40,000 subscribers, but this whole entire time leading up to that, we've been celebrating milestones from 1,000, 3,000, 5,000. We've celebrated 5 million views, 8 million views. Whenever you celebrate it on social media and you have people that follow you, you have friends on Facebook, they're gonna look you up. So whenever we post a thing saying, thank you so much for 40,000 subscribers, 20,000 subscribers, we do a post thanking people and helping us get there, reaching this milestone. And on the actual thing that we post, the picture or whatever, we always mention our channel name so that people can go and look it up and check it out, and people often do. I notice that every time I do a subscriber milestone picture or a video, our subscribers spike for that day. We get more subscribers that day. You never know who's looking at your stuff on social media, so celebrate your wins. Tip number 16, go to your YouTube analytics, check out your top performing videos, the videos that are getting the most views, and create more of those. Oftentimes, you'll have a bunch of videos that are doing well. We'll go in there and see, okay, some Facebook videos are doing well, some Etsy videos are doing well, some YouTube videos are doing well, and I'll take a look at what that video actually is and create a bunch of different variations related to those kinds of videos. That data and analytics is telling you that these videos are doing well. Create more of these. Tip number 17, respond to comments with a video link when appropriate. So don't just be responding to every single comment with a video link if someone's just going, thanks for this video. I will often go into the comments, and we get a lot of comments, so I have to be strategic. And if I see someone that's asking a specific question to, hey, do you have a tutorial on this? Or how do you do this? And I have a video on that, I will respond with that video link. And then that comment is now there for everyone else to see afterwards. When people scroll through the comments, they'll see that I responded. Maybe they had the same question, and then they'll see my response and potentially go look at that video as well. So if it is relevant, respond to your comments with another video link. Tip number 18, pin the comment that has a video link so that it's pinned up to the top. Now, if there's no relevant ones, you can actually create your own pinned comment. You can do your own comment saying, hey, if you like this video, check out another one, and then pin it yourself. Or if someone asked a good question and you responded with a video, you can pin that. Tip number 19, create updated versions of your videos. So we are a tutorial channel, and this works really great in our favor because we can literally create new versions of the same kind of video every year. And because we're in social media, things are constantly changing, so there's lots of update videos to be done. So if you're talking about a particular software, a website, or if there's a new version of a product or something, create an update video on that. And then go to the previous year's video and in the description and in the comments and on the end screen, update it to the new version of the video. Again, creating that spider web of interlinking. Tip number 20 is do video collaborations with other people. Obviously, you want to do video collaborations with other people in the same category, the same niche or niche, however you want to pronounce it. And you want to utilize their audience. Oftentimes we will do this in an interview style. So we will interview people, all different kinds of guests that are related to our channel. And then, before the interview, during the interview, and after the interview, we tell the other person, here's the link to the interview. Can you please promote this before, during, and then after the interview, utilizing their viewership and followers. And the last tip number 21 is consistency. I know people don't want to hear that one, but none of these is gonna work. None of these is going to do anything for you if you don't actually create content on YouTube, if you don't actually create consistent videos on your channel on a regular basis. YouTube is a marathon, it's not a sprint. And with each video, you build upon your views and your views and your views when you're doing all those other tactics. And there's a reason why I put consistency as number 21 and SEO as number 1. Those are the two most important ones. I put them at the beginning and at the end. It's allowed us to grow our YouTube channel and, turn it into a full-time business where we have coaching clients, where we sell our courses, make affiliate income, make Google ad revenue. It's allowed us to earn multiple streams of income, and it's given us so many opportunities. So those are my 21 tips on how to get more YouTube views. And if you missed any links, they will all be in the description. If you guys need one-on-one help with YouTube, we offer a one-on-one coaching program. We love working one-on-one with our students, taking them from scratch, from nothing, and building their own YouTube channel where they are now making money, building their audience, creating products. It's really amazing to watch our students grow. If you want more information on that, check out all the links in the description. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.